I look like a medium flame to you?
Does it say medium?
No, it just says high or low. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
It's pancake time.
I'm pretty hyped for this one.
Does it get old?
What? Pancakes?
Intros?
No,
cooking,
we gotta figure it out.
Recipes?
But I'm locked in for this one.
Okay, I know, this is
my specialty.
I want us to make some chickpea flour pancakes, which are our favorite. We already know this.
And my specialty. Yeah. I don't know if I've said that already.
One time I made a berry sauce. I don't know if you remember.
I do remember.
Okay.
I do.
Really good, but I used maple syrup, and now I'm avoiding those kind of sugars at the moment, and so I want to try it with dates.
Okay, I like that. I was wondering what all the dates were for.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna just kind of rip them apart and put them into the pot for the sauce. Yeah. Let's start with the sauce. Because the sauce will take a little bit longer. We have the pancake batter down so well that that's gonna be 2 seconds. Teamwork.
Makes the dream work. I might have thrown a full one in there. I don't know if you saw that.
I saw. I'll go get it.
You see everything in the kitchen, don't you?
I do.
Even when I'm snacking.
So the base for these pancakes is just gonna be what I call banana milk. It's homemade banana milk.
Banana milk?
I've never called it that to you, but you already know how to make it.
Got it.
So there's no actual milk in it. You don't need to purchase anything from the store aside from bananas. It's just simple, delicious, and it thickens out really nicely, right?
Really nicely.
It's the best.
It is good. I should probably be ripping some of these to help you.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
A little pit cap.
Oh no.
It's okay.
Pit cap. What if there's that one flung away. What if there's another pit cap in there?
That's okay. We'll just
Is it the end of the world?
No, not with this.
And these things are sticky.
So I've added half a cup of water to our 10 dates.
Okay.
And you can put this on the stove over medium flame.
Medium flame it is. I look like a medium flame to you?
Does it say medium?
No, it just says high or low. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
So we've got our 4 little bananas, or 3 medium bananas. We're gonna do about a half a teaspoon of vanilla, but since we are experts here, we're just gonna wing it.
We are. This is my forte. Not opening bananas, so you can see it's taking me a while.
No, that's a very good pace for banana opening.
Thank you for that. Ooh, might have been too much.
Great, no, it's
might have been, we'll find out. Now do you ever put cinnamon in here?
That's a great idea, yeah.
We put it in here.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm gonna get our cinnamon banana milk back in a sec.
How's it look?
Looks thick.
Okay.
Cinnamon banana milk.
Okay, why don't you put half of that? That's 1 cup. And then we'll see. And I am gonna put...
Might have been a little bit more than half.
A little bit. That's okay. We can always thin it out with a little water.
Yeah, we'll be good. We'll be good.
1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
Not much.
Not much. And a half of baking powder.
Yeah, we're in business right now.
That looks perfect. So I just turned on the little pan for our pancakes, and we're gonna use coconut oil instead of butter or anything else, because it tastes so good.
Gotcha. All right, here we go.
And while the pan is heating up, I think we can add our berries to dates.
Got it.
They've been cooking now for about 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna add them in.
And a touch of vanilla in our berry sauce would be nice as well.
Oh wow, that's the pro flip. That's the pro flip. You even took like a little...
Yeah, you gotta like...
Yeah, got it.
Quick and aggressive.
Got it. Oh, wow. Now she's just showing off. And?
Yum. Looks really good.
We've got our
chickpea pancakes with date and berry, kind of like a compote.
Yeah. Compote. Nailed it.